When people think of trauma therapy, they usually think of it as something you do once you already have PTSD. But what if there was a powerful preventative approach to trauma before things become PTSD, burnout, or a breakdown? The good news is that there is. Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Phillips, and I've been a therapist for over 10 years. And on this channel, I cover all things related to private practice and my favorite modality, EMDR therapy. If those topics interest you, hit that subscribe button. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I don't think gets enough attention: preventative trauma treatment and the 5 key benefits of seeking help sooner rather than later. This early trauma intervention can make a huge difference, especially for people in roles where they are constantly exposed to trauma. I'm talking first responders, ER physicians and nurses, SPCA workers, vets, 911 and crisis line operators, child protection workers, and the like. So here are the 5 benefits of preventative treatment for trauma. First, it reduces risk of trauma turning into PTSD. When we experience something traumatic and we just try to push through it, those memories just don't always go away. If unprocessed, they can stick around and become more intrusive over time, which is where we can qualify for that PTSD diagnosis. Preventative treatment helps process those experiences early before they take root. Second, it helps you to stay focused and effective at work. Unprocessed trauma doesn't just affect your mood. It can affect your concentration, your decision-making abilities, and how you react under stress. Getting support early on can help you to stay grounded and being able to do your job well, especially when it's demanding. Third, it protects your personal life and your relationships. Trauma just doesn't live at work. It's going to follow you home. It can make you irritable, disconnected, sad, and emotionally numb. Preventive treatment helps to manage those reactions before they start spilling into your relationships so that you can actually be present with the people that matter most. Fourth, it helps protect your physical health. We know that chronic stress and trauma affect the body. They can impact sleep, increase inflammation in our bodies, and weaken your immune system. Addressing trauma early helps your nervous system return to balance, with supports to your overall health in the long run. And finally, it helps change the culture around mental health. When organizations and individuals make preventive trauma care normal and not a last resort, it reduces stigma associated with seeking mental health help. It sends the message that mental health is part of doing your job well, not something to hide or be ashamed of. If you are someone who works in an environment where you're frequently exposed to traumatic visuals, stories, or experiences, don't wait for those things to get worse before you reach out. If you're in Kelowna, our team at the Kelowna EMDR Clinic works with people with both recent and deeply rooted trauma every single day. We would be happy to help you process those experiences so they don't continue to negatively affect your day-to-day life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up as it helps others find this information. And be sure to subscribe for more content about trauma recovery, EMDR, and therapy best practices. Take care of yourself.